are you doing? Oh my goodness.
Whenever we go out, we know that he's going to get attention. He's a very unique looking Rottweiler.
Place. Yes.
He has a condition called vitiligo. His nose is really spotted. He looks like a baby deer.
Get your beer.
When people come up to him, Yeti's like, yeah, come pet me. Come say hi. He will meet you for the first time and he will be your best friend.
Yeti. Hold on for 2 seconds.
Before we got Yeti, Rottweilers made me very nervous. People always say that Rottweilers will turn around and snap on you. I was attacked by a Rottweiler, so I had a lot of reservations. But when my friend sent me a picture of him, I said I have to have this dog. So we flew to Texas to meet Yeti, and he immediately just melted into our arms. Yeti was found running loose and was hit by a school bus.
He has surgery tonight. No. Stay.
With my line of work, I do amputations. I did radiographs on him myself, and he trusted me and laid down. He'll sit there. It's like, I know you're trying to help. He was being so gentle. I wasn't nervous at all. He's really quirky, and his tail never stops wagging. He doesn't have a mean bone in his body.
Wow, bud, good boy.
Despite my reservations with his breed, it was not very difficult for me to put my fears aside. Yeti really liked dogs, but he's still learning social cues. He's met Sai. She's so good with him.
Hi, Yeti, who's this? She wants you to get her. Go get her. Go get her.
She does say, hey, this is too much.
Oh, hi, Sai.
And he's so gentle with her. He's always giving her kisses and sniffing her. He's the nicest Rottweiler I've ever met in my entire life.